Hello, good morning. My name is Kevin. I am getting ready to begin move-in day number 2. This is the put stuff away completion, hopefully, and the break a million boxes down. It is very early in the morning. I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't wiped sleep out of my eye. I just went up and did it. It's also kind of hard to break boxes down quietly for me. So that's what I'll be attempting to do. It's very cold outside. My feet are cold. You can hear the birdies chirping. Come along with me as I break boxes down and try to make that visually appealing to you, the viewer.
Trying to figure out what to do with this. I love this plant, but I have no idea what to do with it. I think I'm gonna put it over there to kind of counterbalance this. The problem is the house we were originally supposed to get has a completely different floor plan, as if I haven't said that enough. And so my decor was set up for that floor plan and not this one, and so I'm kind of struggling, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so we're vlogging day 2. Kevin is putting up boxes. I'm kind of doing the same, and then I'll do the kitchen. It'll be kind of a fast-paced video, pretty much. So we've made a lot of progress, but we're still not done. If you remember, this room in here was filled completely with boxes, and we've pretty much got all of the boxes outside of the boxes that say office stuff. So this room still needs to be set up. My shoes still need to be set up, but yeah, we're actually making really good progress. What you about to do, Kev?
We should have hired movers.
We did hire movers.
More do everything movers. I was done, but there was way more boxes. So now I'm going to go throw these away. I was going to throw these away at the old office.
Oh, there's too much for that.
But there's too much for that.
Okay, so most everything is done over here. This here is a box of books, and I guess 2 picture frames that will go onto the bookshelf. This is majority of the decor that I'm going to put on the bookshelf. Of course, not everything is going to go on the bookshelf. I obviously overbought some stuff, but it's better to have options and be able to mix and match. So that's the decor. I have more stuff over here. I just put that tree here. It's a fiddle plant. I think I'm gonna stick it inside of this basket that I got from Pottery Barn, similar to how I did that one, because I just kind of like the way it looks. And then add some of this greenery here, this like faux moss stuff here on the top, so it looks, just put it on the top there so it looks real. maybe put something else down there to lift it up a little bit. I'll decide in a minute. And now I'm gonna tackle some of this kitchen stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna tackle the kitchen next. I'm struggling because I don't have a lot of cabinet space up top. There's like a lot of cabinet space on the bottom, and I am an up top cabinet girl. You know how you all have your places that you stick your dishes and stuff? So this isn't set up quite the same, so I'm kind of struggling. So I put my spices here and here because your spices should go where your stove is. Don't at me, that is a rule. And then I think I'm gonna try to put all my plates and cups over there. I just don't think they're gonna fit. And then I'll have to figure the rest out because I'm a little bit like confusion. So we're gonna do that together, and I think that's it. Okay, so if you remember, I did a video trying to figure out what my centerpiece was going to be for my island. And this island, again, is much smaller than the island that I originally had in mind. However, I did buy this smaller, much smaller vase. I love the apples because it adds a little bit of color here. And I low-key think I love this. So let me know what you guys think of this centerpiece here. I'm not a huge fan of this like very modern geometric lighting fixture because it was really important to me to have a centerpiece, but I feel like I found a space where I can add these branches without throwing it off because I felt like it was a little too flat with just the apples at first is what I had. So I kind of like this setup. It's clean. There's still usable space. I kind of like it. So to give you guys one more view of it here, and I'm like super digging it. So let me know what you guys think there. Okay, so I'm still doing the kitchen, but I'm really liking, of course there's stuff everywhere so you can't get a clean view, but I'm really liking the way that it's looking. It's very clean, it's very chic, kind of minimal. I kind of think I have too many things going on over here. I'll probably take these away and leave it like that, but I haven't fully decided. But I'm really liking the way that it's looking. I just ordered a cookbook to go there. I kind of am all over the place, to be honest, because I randomly decided I had a little like bench thing that was right here, just as a holding spot. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. And I moved it to the entryway here, and I low-key love it. I'm going to, of course, decorate and style that. I'm thinking about also spray painting it black. I haven't fully decided just yet, but I'm thinking about doing that and hanging this mirror up. It also looks kind of good like that, but I'll probably get it hung up. And I just really like it. I don't know. I just randomly had inspiration to move that. But I mean, we're making pretty good progress. Yesterday, I received this oversized mirror. Let me go around. So I received this oversized mirror that I ordered, and I stuck it up on top of the fireplace, and I love it. And then I had this like petrified wood up there that I low-key hate, but I'll figure out what to do with it in a minute, shortly. And then I bought this, again, oversized mirror. I don't know, I have a thing for mirrors apparently, and I'm thinking about putting this on that wall there to cover up that outlet, which is weird. I'm not quite sure what the point of that is. Maybe if one of you guys know, you can let me know. Okay, so this is kind of backlit since the camera, the light is there, so I apologize that it's a little dark. But the kitchen is just about done. I'm having a hard time getting those streaks up. I don't know if you know how to get those streaks up, please let me know. I think I'm just using maybe harsh chemicals to try to clean it because we had the movers come, and so I don't know, I just kind of freaking out and stuff. So anyway, so these are in my haul videos. These again are from West Elm. I didn't show everything in my haul video, This back here, this space back here is a little smaller than I originally anticipated, so I was only able to get one cutting board back there. I'm still debating if I like it because there's already like a backsplash back here, so we'll decide later if that's gonna stay or go. And then over here, it's literally just for decor. You're supposed to put the like serving utensils and stuff in there that you use all the time, but I'm not gonna do that. And then we have a wine rack here with some wine. I'm going to get rid of the red cap ones eventually and have them all black because that's what I want. A little faux plant, I think they're called succulent, is there. And then over here, again, I talked about these two canisters in my haul videos, and I love them. I got this container from Home Goods. I just threw away the little bottles that came with it, but kept the container. I decided against the cake stand. I kind of like it a little bit better there. And then we have some foliage there, and this is a cookbook stand. I will get a cookbook. I just ordered one that matches today, so the next time I do a video, it'll probably be here. And then over here, I just have some paper towels, again, on a cutting board. I just like cutting boards. And I don't think this is gonna stay here, but for the moment it's here. It's just table coasters. I'm really liking it. So I think I'm gonna actually end this vlog here for day 2. I still have tons and tons to do. Again, this is the living room area. I still need to order a rug. I'm gonna measure today to figure out what's the right size rug, but I have all the decor pieces here that I'm going to put on the bookshelf. I'm not going to use everything, but again, you should have everything out so that way you can kind of figure it out as you go along. So that's that. And then we cleaned up a bit over here. I was trying to take this out, but we need some power tools to take it out. But this is the legs to the formal dining room table, so I'll let you guys see that once we get that out. So anyway, that's me looking a hot mess. That's it. I think that's it for the day. Tell the people bye-bye, Kevin.
My butt out. Bye.